This is actually not the new one though. This is the very first Real Grade, which came out about 10 years ago. And this is kit number 1, as you'll see. Kit number 1. I saw these when they came out. I went to the Tokyo Hobby Show and saw these back then when they got released. So Real Grade is a grade they put in between high grade and master grade.
High grade and master grade.
And
Tony grade.
Tony grade.
Tony grade.
I don't know how that fits in, but yeah, I'll try to incorporate that. So a lot of people love the master grade because of complexity, but they didn't have the room for it because it's actually a bigger scale. So they wanted the complexity in a small scale like HG, and so they came up with Real Grade, which has got all the extra bits and movement in posing.
I've got movement.
I'm sure you've got movement, and incorporated in a small scale. And so hence they've got, so they did the very first most famous Gundam, which is the RX-78-2.
Not Barbatos.
Not the
I
Barbatos,
thought
no.
Barbatos was the most famous.
No, this is most famous. This is like early.
Is
Barbatos
it?
is like a new thing.
Oh.
And you can see here, where is it? This one here?
Barbatos. Sorry.
Barbados. Is that where you want to go? And you can see how flexible it is. See him kneeling down like that? I mean, most HGs would not be able to kneel like this.
Tony Gray can't do that.
And there, they have the inner frame. And the inner frame is something that's very master grade. And they incorporated in a small thing. So HGs generally don't have anything like that.
I get to build, wouldn't it? Be lots of little bits.
Well, that's right.
Could you build it in the bag?
Well, the Panda could, I reckon.
I'd love to know, where did that Gundam ever end up?
I don't know. We'll see. Well, that's the first ever Real Grade, right?
I will remember that forever. Hey?
And so what have they done now?
Panda Chang. Do you remember that time he built a... We've got to cut that out as a... We had it on live, didn't we? He built the Gundam in the bag. He refused to take it out.
Yeah, and the bag was all scrunched up and stuff.
Was it like a chip packet?
Well, this is a brand spanking new one. It's exactly the same Gundam.
Oh. Why is it so new then?
Well, it's just been released with even more detail. They've put more detail into the frame. And it's got even more flexibility.
Oh, it's 2.0.
Yeah, so this is version 2. This is version 1.
2.0 is always better. I'll throw this one in the bin then. What is this for?
Brand spanking new, just came in. So
I debate that.
And the very latest one.
That came in yesterday.
Yeah.
Well.
And that's kit number 40.
40.
Yeah. So there's been 40 kits in the RG range so
far. So only for a year.
I guess so.
There you go.
There you go.
RG.
RX-78-2. So get into them because they're disappearing pretty quick.
I had a RX-7 once.
Did you?
Wasn't a 7-8.
Did it look like this?
No, wasn't quite as pointy.
Was it white, red, and blue?
No, it was mainly silver.
What's that? Mainly
silver. It was all silver, actually.
Yeah, that's cool. So that's very... This is, quintessential Gundam.
Well, let's take the lid off.
Oh, you're having a look at it?
Well, why wouldn't we? We've come this far. It's all new.
Look at that. Look at the multicolored bits.
But it's not as stark as you think. It's actually quite a warm... Our camera's probably not picking it up, but it's actually just not primary colours.
No, it's not a white, is it? It's a warm white.
It's a warm white, and the yellow is quite... It's a
really
really
sort of orangey,
nice...
right? A warm yellow.
It's a really nice palette. Got lots of
some
charcoal.
So that'll be for the inner frame.
Inner frame.
Look at how fine some of these bits are. Look at the detail on that. There's little holes there.
And look, your favourite thing, look, the multicolored sprue.
Yeah. So it's got 2 multicolored sprues.
They've stepped it up now, just from 1 to 2. Does it come with stickers?
It does come with stickers. Stickers are already up.
Oh, there they are. Are they water slide?
No. Water slides are always optional.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, except for some mask grades like the Vercars.
Well, lucky you are the Gundam expert.
There you go. RX-78-2 version 2 Real Grade. Brand spankers. Beautiful.